Hello, my name is Rama and I'm a student ambassador at Grossmont College. In this video, I'll be showing you the process of completing the placement questionnaire and ESL self-guided placement if prompted. So, let's get started. Start by going to our website by typing grossmont.edu in your browser. Then, click on WebAdvisor on the top right corner. Log in using your information. If you have any troubles logging in, please contact us. We will have all the contact information provided in the description box. Once you log in successfully, click on Students. Then, click on Step 2 Placement Questionnaire. You'll be prompted with 7 questions. Please review them carefully and select the appropriate answer. It is important to answer the questions with honesty, to be placed in the correct levels of Math, English, or ESL. You don't want to be placed in higher levels where it's hard to manage, or in lower levels where you will waste your time and money by repeating materials you already know. So, receiving an accurate recommendation for your level depends on how careful and honest you are with your answers. After completing the questions, click Submit, and you'll be prompted with the results. If you are given recommended Math and English levels, you are done here. If you are prompted with Proceed to ESL Placement, then you must continue to complete the ESL Guided Self Placement to receive your ESL recommended level. Before continuing, I want to mention that this process could take 30 minutes to an hour, so please don't rush through it. Click on Proceed to ESL Placement and choose the college that you will be taking your ESL classes in. The following ESL placement is designed for Grossmont College, so I will select Grossmont for tutorial purposes. Read carefully through the guidelines. To summarize, make sure you have enough time and reliable internet connection before proceeding. Honesty is key here. Remember that you are studying to learn and have a more successful future. You do not need any external resources, such as a dictionary or a translator. What you don't know is what you will need to learn. After you complete the assessment, you'll be prompted with the proper recommendation for ESL, or steps to register for English 120 and 20, if applicable. Click OK, and you'll be prompted with 6 writing samples. Imagine that you're asked to write a thank you letter to a person who has helped you before. You would have a full 30 minutes to write this letter and explain how thankful you are and tell the story of how they helped you. Which of these writings is the closest approximation to what you would be writing? Read them carefully and select one that best matches your writing abilities at the end of the page. Then, click Submit. Next, you'll be prompted with reading samples. Read the given article and answer how difficult understanding the reading was. After you select the difficulty of this reading, click on Submit. Here, you might be presented with more readings, or as in this tutorial, you might be done with the placement and given the recommended ESL level. To learn more about your level, click on the link below to visit the ESL Department page. The ESL program flowchart shows the offered ESL classes and where your level lies in the sequence. Click on Placement on the left side and expand the level you are recommended in. You may go over these statements and sample syllabus, materials, and final project to see what to expect. If you believe the recommended level is too low or too high, please consider contacting the ESL Department chair. And this concludes the tutorial. Consider checking our channel for similar tutorials in various languages. And always remember, we're here to help you.